Happy spring, everybody. I am so excited to be working on another little miniature project. There was one more dollhouse kit that I saw on Amazon that I was very curious about, and so I decided to purchase it. It's one that's kind of pre-painted. I don't think I'm going to stick with this color palette, but I think that it is just so adorable. I love this little wraparound porch and then this little pergola area up here. So I'm going to try and customize it a little bit. I also found at Michael's the Spring Neutrals paper pad, and I love the color palette. I think that's what I'm going to be basing it off of, and I just think some of these are going to make just beautiful wallpapers, maybe even some flooring or backsplashes. So I'm very excited to play with that. So I am almost finished with the second floor of the dollhouse, but I'm taking a little break to have some cookies and some tea. I'm in love with this butterfly pea tea. It starts off blue, and then when you add lemon drops to it, it turns purple, and I think that that is just very magical. I also made some cookies that had some edible flowers on them. I got these off of Amazon as well. They are pansies, edible pansies. Now they taste pretty much exactly like wafers, those Catholic wafers. So there's not really any taste to them, but I just love how cute that makes your cookie. I still don't know quite yet how I want to decorate the inside of the dollhouse. That will come later. I want to get it built first. And I find it so much easier to put the wallpapers in as I'm building it instead of trying to do it after it's built. Now I will say that the tea smells like potatoes. It doesn't really have that much of a taste. When you add the lemon in, it gives it a lemony taste, but I kind of can't get past the potato smell. So I'm just going to finish my cookie and get back to building. So I finally finished making the dollhouse, the interior and exterior, and now it's time to decorate it. I was gonna build all of the little pieces myself, but then I found these really cute little forest animal play sets, and I thought that might be cute too, actually, to put in there. So I ordered a bunch of them. I've already opened them, so boxes are kind of a mess, but I have a little kitchen set and living room set. I really liked the desk in this one, so I got that. I'm not using all of the pieces from it, but they were only about $5 each from Temu, so I thought that that would be a lot easier to fill the dollhouse with. And I also got a bunch of cute little accessories as well, and just a few things for the exterior, like little welcome mats. I even got a little tiny patio set. The play sets are a little bit bigger than the scale of the dollhouse, but that's okay. It's just for fun. And it'll save me a lot of time from building everything myself. So that's what we're going to be doing today.